Okay, good morning. The last two class we are discussing error analysis. Okay, so how to find true value? Akash, Akshaya, Badri, Joshua, Leo. Anyone of you give me reply, ma? Roshan. How to find true value? Or through the chat box. Formula alone. Tell me.
Repeat the question, sir.
So should add the every values and divide by the total number of values, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay. Mean absolute error. How to find mean absolute error? Priya Malini. Tanushree.
Modulus of del A1 plus modulus of del 2 divided by number of n.
Very good, ma. Very good. Super. So based on in this formula only, last class we discussed. And yesterday I said the combination of error. Okay. Again, I will just give one small recap. The first formula. The error addition or subtraction. The formula del x equal to del A plus del B. Second formula multiple or division. Del x by x. Del A by A plus del B by B. Multiple means AB, division A by B, addition A plus B, subtraction A minus B. Okay. The next one, power. Del x by x is equal to n into del A by A. So today class we are discussing how to use in these three formulas. Okay. Listen. So yesterday class we discussed only for the M1 plus M2. The remainder M1 minus M2 it is no. M1 and M2 both also same masses. Okay, in this formula it is only applicable for two different quantity. A is a one quantity, B is a one more quantity. You should add a subtraction or multiple or division. So based on in this method only you can use. But in this question, see the two different masses are given by M1 and M2. Both also same quantity. So this is normal addition and this is normal subtraction. 24.6 plus or minus 0.5 minus 16.7 plus or minus 0.3. So true value minus one more quantity true value. Next mean absolute error also. Okay, 24.6 minus 16.7. True value plus or minus. Please mute yourself. Okay. For in this value, true value subtraction, no? Mean absolute error, it is addition, no? So mean absolute error del A plus del B. So 0.5 plus 0.3. True value subtraction, mean value 0.5 plus 0.3 because del A plus del B. Del A, del A. You can use in this formula. Take a notes. Okay. So next problem, a capacitor of a capacitance C. The value is 2.0 plus or minus 0.1 microfarad. F means farad. No? If charged to a voltage V value 20 plus or minus 0.2 volt. What is the charge on the capacitor? What is the charge on the capacitor? Okay, this formula class 12th formula. Okay, capacitor and all you will learn class 12th. But now I will tell you the formula alone. Please note it. So C value 2.0 plus or minus 0.1. V value 20 plus or minus 0.2 and the formula. For in this lesson, you want to remember the formula based on class 11th formula enough. So Q equal to CV. Okay, this is a relationship between charge, capacitor, and the potential. Okay, this is looking like product, no, multiple. So what is the multiple formula? So del x by x equal to del A by A plus del B by B. So what is del A? It is a mean absolute error. A, true value. Del B, mean absolute error. B, true value. Same formula. Listen, just I am rewriting. Del Q by Q equal to del C divided by C plus del V by V. Okay, now next step. So what is del C? From the equation you know very well. 2.0, this is true value plus or minus 0.1. So 0.1 is the mean absolute error. So mean absolute error divided by true value. So mean absolute error 0.1 divided by true value plus mean absolute error divided by true value. 0.1 divided by 2.0, 0.2 divided by 20. Okay, just I am applying the values. Okay, no need to worry about in this conversion. This one the value milli 10 power minus 3, micro, the micro value 10 power minus 6. Okay. Okay, up to that, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Formula. So this is a error in product formula. Next, I am applying the values. After that, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Shall we go for next?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Next step. I want to find the value of Q. So Q means what? C into V. Just C into V. C into V means C is the true value. V also true value. Q formula CV. You should take the value from the formula in this equation 2. Into 10 power minus 6 microfarad. So that 2 into 10 power minus 6 into V value, that is the 20. So you will get 40 into 10 power minus 6. So this is the value of Q. Okay. So next I need only the value of what is the charge on the capacitor. What is the charge on the capacitor they are asking. So charge on the capacitor you want to find del Q. So del Q value to do the simplification cross multiple. Finally, you will get 2.4 into 10 power minus 6. So this is the value of del. Now I am writing the range. The range formula, true value plus or minus mean absolute error. True value plus or minus mean absolute error. So true value 40 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Mean absolute error, that is the del Q value, 2.4 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. So commonly I will take out 10 power minus 6. Finally I will get 40 plus or minus 2.4 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. Just using the error in product formula. Take a note. Okay. Next one. Power. So power formula, work done divided by time, rate of doing work. In this formula already you know very well in class 9th itself. Okay, how to write the work done? Force into displacement. force into displacement by time. So displacement by time means what? That is the velocity. So force into velocity. So this is a one more formula. Power equal to force into velocity. So this is looking like product, no? F into V. Okay. So I will give one question to you. The force value 5 plus or minus 0.2 Newton. Velocity 3 plus or minus 0.1 meter per second. Find power P. So this is the question. So F value, V value. Anybody new to class? So today only I am coming, sir. Like that. Anybody there? G1, Subramanian, 2, 3. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask, no problem. You can try this one. Find the power. Okay. So del P by P, del F divided by okay, mom. You can listen the class. Okay, I will explain one more time also. If you have any doubt, you can ask. No problem. 1 or 2 days before last, just using the in this formula. Okay. So what is del F means? Wait, I will explain. Range formula, true value plus or minus mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. So true value we can denote like a normal letters F, plus or minus mean absolute error. Mean absolute error. So mean absolute error we can use del F, form of del. Del means it is the mean absolute error. So it is the relative error formula, del F divided by F. Okay. From the question, you should take the values. 5 plus or minus 0.2, no? Plus or minus 0.2. What is the formula? Del F divided by F. So del F value 0.2 divided by F value 5 plus del V, same, del V value 0.1 divided by V value 3. Okay, this is del P divided by P. Okay. To do the calculation part, you will get del P value. Okay. So del P in the value of P. So P formula, P is equal to force into velocity. So force into velocity means only the true value. True value force 5, velocity 3. So this is the power value. Power SI unit watt. So next step, the range formula for the power. True value plus or minus mean absolute error. Okay. So true value 15, mean absolute error, do the simplification, you will get the answer. Okay, did you understand? What is the value, ma? Del P value. Do the calculation and tell me. Del P value. Everyone try the calculation. Zero 0.07. Zero 0.07 multiple with the P value 15. One 1.1. True value 15 plus or minus 1.1. So this is the correct answer. How many of you got it? Say yes or no through the chat box. Just say yes sir, no sir. I got it. I need reply from your side. Then only I can understand whether you are doing properly or not, or I am going fast or not. Like, okay, very good. Okay. So now we completed product and division. Both also same format only. Any question, it is in the product or division, you can use in this formula. In case find the velocity means displacement by time. Same format. So next we go for addition and subtraction method. Under power only maximum question they are asking. See here, the side of a cube is measured to be 5.5 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. So find the volume of the cube. The volume of the cube formula L cube or A cube, no problem. A cube. So 5.53. Make a cube value, you will get 116.4 centimeter cube. Del V by V. Del V by V. The power value, it will come front. 3 into del A by A. So what is del A? Mean absolute error. A, true value. So mean absolute error from the question 0.1. True value 5.5. True value 5.5. Yes, ma'am. And the V value. So this is the V, no? The V value 166.4. So do the calculation part. Everyone try whether it is right or wrong. You can verify. No need to copy simply. Multiple yourself. Your arithmetic knowledge, addition, subtraction, multiple division, it should be improved day by day. But nowadays you are using calculator. Your arithmetic knowledge it is decreasing. You can check it before and all within the minute. You will say the answer. So this is the answer, sir. But now you are taking more time. Okay, don't waste your time. Try to improve. So del V value 9.076 or 9.1 centimeter cube. Under writing the range. True value plus or minus mean absolute error. True value plus or minus mean absolute error. Okay, true value. This is true value. Plus or minus mean absolute error means del V. V plus or minus del V. 9.1 with the unit centimeter cube. So this is the correct answer. Take a notes. We'll go for next problem. Once chapter is completed, I will verify your classwork. Okay, ready for that? Maybe in this weekend or next week. Okay, so this is for homework. The mass of a body is 250.0 plus or minus 0.5 gram, and its volume is 25.0 plus or minus 0.2 centimeter cube. Calculate the density of the body. Homework.
Okay, sir.
Yes. The density formula you know very well. Mass by volume. It is based on division. Please note it. We go for next problem. Okay, next problem. It is based on power. Point out the measurable quantity likely to create the maximum error in the following experimental measurement. Young's modulus y equal to WG cube divided by 4p d cube into delta. Okay, W means that is the weight mg, delta depression, LPD length, breadth, thickness. So this is looking like a power. Okay, so how to write work? So work formula mg. It is in a product, no, del m divided by m. G. So G is the constant, gravitational constant. Next, remainder things. L. These three will come front, no. Power it is x power n. That n will come front. So 3 into del L by L. Del L by L means true value plus 1 by 4. That is the constant. No need to worry about constant value. Del B by B plus 3. That cube also will come front. 3 into del D by T plus del this is also del only, ma. This is a capital and a small del. Okay. So this is a format. Just you can write the entire equation. It is enough using the error formula. Error in power. Why we are not using G value means G is the constant. We know the value of G, 9.8 meter per second. So that no need to use that formula. Del G by G, no need. Did you understand? Listen. Now we are following different types of nodes. This is one material, ASPOL, under numerical problem, modern ABC. Next, need crash course. Some other material also. 5 to 6 nodes we are using. Different problem referring from the different nodes. And NCERT book also. So try to understand. So everything is very important. So only we are referring so many notes. One day I am following NCERT means easy to complete the chapter. I go for the next chapter. But class 11th syllabus, it is very important for competitive exam. The next year and after, you are going for the competitive exam. After 12th completion, NEET exam and JEE main exam, Central University exam, VIT, NIT, any other courses also there. They are conducting entrance exam. Under new education policy, they are implementing one exam all over India, common entrance exam. All the colleges, even though you want to join arts college or engineering or medical, in pay management seat also, you just to qualify the exam. Then only you can join. So like that, they are trying to plan an exam. That is a common entrance test for all the courses all over India, so that you want to know about the basic idea about physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. The core paper: physics, chemistry, maths. Otherwise, physics, chemistry, biology. So compulsory, you want to know some important topics, some problems, some concept. Everything is you want to think about the competitive mind. Now you are in online class, so no one asks anything. You feel comfortable. Some students listening, some students just log in and see they are doing some other works. This and all. Now you feel happy. But once you go for the competitive exam, that time you feel same format, one problem will come. You feel definitely. So that day I didn't listen the class. I didn't take the notes properly. So only I'm losing the mark. So kindly understand, don't miss the class, regularly attend the class. If you have any doubt, you can ask related to course, joining the any new course, next subject relevant, college relevant, anything, you can ask Prabhu sir or John sir, Anand sir, or any subject teacher also you can consult. Okay. Listen, mean absolute error, the formula modulus of del A1 plus modulus of del A2 plus etc. up to del n divided by n. This is mean absolute error formula. Relative error or fractional error. Mean absolute error divided by true value. So now how to find the true value? So true value means it is very simple. A1 plus A2 up to AN. That is the observed values divided by number of terms n. The next formula, percentage error. Relative error into 100. So already know the relative error formula. Mean absolute error divided by true value into 100. This is the percentage error formula. So next range formula, true value plus or minus mean absolute error. So today class we are discussing the combination of error. So this is up to, this one is the same quantity, only one quantity. For example, the force, all the forces F1, F2, F3 are refractive index mu1, mu2, mu3 times S1, S2, S3, S3 like that. But next one, the combination of error, two different quantity A and B. Now you want to add, so A plus B, del A plus del B. Del A means what? Mean absolute error of A. A minus B, same formula. Next cross, A cross B, that is a multiple. Del H by X, del A by A plus del B by B. Relative error plus relative error of B. And division also, A by B also same formula. So this is the power. So based on all the formula I given one or two example, it is enough, I think so. If you want more problem, you can ask me. Shall we discuss one more problem? Related power we want to discuss now. Some values also there. One more model. That one also we'll discuss. Any other than that? Up to that, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Still no. Yesterday class, today class. So how to use del A? What is del A? What is A? What is X? Like that, any question from your side? Today I will share you the notes. Okay. Listen. So this is your NCERT book. Now we are discussing the error. Okay. So instrumental error, personal error, random error. So up to that there is no problem. Just only for the concept. So after absolute error, relative error, percentage error. So related in this topic only now we are discussing. Combination of error. So the error of sum or difference formula. The error of product and division. Formula enough, no need derivation part. Some example problems. This general you can try. Example 2.9, 2.10, 2.11. Related this model we will discuss after we go for next topic. Significant figures. Round up. Already we completed dimension analysis, but one more time I will explain for the new students purpose. Okay, thank you so much.